Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Camry hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your Camry. It's usually found on the driver's side, often near the left footwell or under the dashboard. Give the lever a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood partially unlatches. This initial step is crucial for accessing your engine bay safely and efficiently. After pulling the interior lever, move to the front of your Toyota Camry. Gently lift the hood a few inches to find the secondary safety latch. This small lever is usually located in the center, just under the hood's front edge. Push it to the side or lift it up, and the hood will fully release, allowing you to raise it completely. With the hood fully released, locate the prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully lift the hood all the way up and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole, usually marked with an arrow or a small symbol. Make sure the hood is securely supported before you begin any work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod and secure it back in its clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 inches from fully closing. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.